Hello students, you are most welcome here. Just after completing this chapter now, here is a series of MCQ for you. Now let's see. All the MCQ are based on this chapter, the 100 essays first. Now let's see one by one. If you clear the concept of these questions, definitely it is clear that you have observed everything. Question number one is, why does Wanda say that she has 100 dresses? This is a question. Why does Wanda say that she has 100 dresses? Okay, you have four options. First, because she has. Second, to counter other girls. Third, she loves to rant. And last, none of the above. None of the above. Now, you guess which option is correct? Your correct option is to counter other girls. To counter other girls. Why this answer is correct? Because every time the girls who has beautiful dresses, they always try to counter her. So this time she has decided to counter the girls by saying such type of words. Now, question number two, how other girls treat Wanda? How other girls treat Wanda? Okay, let's see. You have four options. She doesn't make fun of Wanda, she like Wanda a lot, she hated Wanda a lot, and none of them. Okay, so your correct option is, let's see. Okay, let's see. So here option number B, option number C, she hated Wanda a lot. Now next thing, why does Maddie stand by and not do anything? Maddie, who was the friend of Peggy and who always involved in the same process. Why does Maddie stand by and not do anything? Four option: because she was herself victim, because she doesn't have courage, because she doesn't want to, none of the above. Four option. Your option, because she doesn't have courage. Okay, because she doesn't have courage. So this is the correct answer here, students. Now next, who secretly disliked how Wanda was being treated? Who secretly disliked how Wanda was being treated? Option: Peggy, Cecil, Maddie, and Jack. Your option is Maddie. Maddie disliked how Wanda was being treated. Your correct answer is Maddie. Okay. Now number 5. This is very easy question. Very easy question for you. Who lived in Boggins Height? Boggins Height में कौन रहता था? Your four option: Maddie, Peggy, Wanda, and Cecil. So here your correct option is Wanda. Option number C, Wanda is correct. Correct option here, Wanda. Now number 6. What was Wanda's full name? Wanda's full name. Okay, I hope you have judged here, as this is very easy question. Option number B, Wanda Petronsky. Wanda Petronsky, option number B is correct answer here. Okay, now let's see. Number 7. How many drawings did Wanda draw? How many drawings did Wanda draw? कितने drawings? Means how many drawings did Wanda draw? You have to choose your correct answer. Option number A 100, option number B 10, option number C 50, and option number D 150. I hope this is clear to all of you. Option number A is correct answer here. That is 100. Now next is, what was Maddie's full name? What was Maddie's full name? Madeline, or Majgar? So I hope you have cleared it. Option number B, Madeline. Option number B, Madeline is correct answer here. Now let's see. The next is, why did Peggy say? Why did Peggy say? And I thought I could draw. Why did Peggy say? And I thought I could draw. You have four options. Option number A, she would won the medal always. Option number B, Wanda's drawing were amazing. Option number C, she thought Wanda could draw better. And option number D, all of the above. All of the above. So you have to choose here. Four option here. Option number D, all of the above. All of the above is correct answer here. All of the above is correct answer here. Okay. Next is, who did Maddie think would win the contest? Who did Maddie think would win the contest? Option number A, Wanda. Option B, Maddie. Option C, Peggy. And option D is the above. You have to choose your correct answer. Who did Maddie think would win the contest? Definitely, this is clear to you that Maddie's close friend was Peggy, and she always lived with her, and this was her great expectation that she will win the contest. Okay, so your option number C, Peggy, will be correct answer here. Option number C, Peggy. Okay. Now question number 11. Let's see. What did the drawing and coloring contest mean for the girls and boys? Girls and the boys means there was a contest, and the contest was related to drawing and coloring. What was the mean for the boys and girls of it? Okay. So option A, designing dresses and motorboats. Option number B, designing interiors and buying. Option C, designing dresses and bikes. And option D, designing interiors and motorboats. So I hope option number A is clear. Designing dresses and motorboats. Okay, this is clear to you. Now number 12. What reason did Maddie give herself to justify teasing Wanda? What reason did Maddie give herself to justify teasing Wanda? It's also easy question. You have four options. First, Wanda used to lie about her dresses. Wanda used to lie about her dresses. Option B, Wanda deserved it. Option C, Peggy was the best liked girl and couldn't do anything wrong. And the last option is both first and second. Okay, so let's see. Your option is C. The correct option is C. C for cat is correct option. Peggy was the best liked girl and couldn't do anything wrong. This is the correct answer here. Peggy was the best liked girl and couldn't do anything wrong. Okay, now number 13. Question number 13. How many shoes did Wanda say she had? वांडा कितना शू कहती थी उसके पास है? हाउ मेनी शूज डिड वांडा से सी हैड? 50, 100, 10, 60. 50, 100, 10, 60. ओके, तो ये भी आपके लिए काफ़ी आसान है. सी हैड 60 पेयर. 60 पेयर्स. ओके, 60 पेयर्स. नाउ number 14. What tells you that Peggy was not cruel? What tells you that Peggy was not cruel? तो ऑप्शन ए, protected small children from bullies. Protected small children from bullies. Option number B, couldn't stand animals getting mistreated. Option C, didn't make Wanda cry. And option D, all of the above. Okay, 4 option. Now see it, which option is correct. What tells you that Peggy was not cruel? ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नंबर, यहाँ पे डी करेक्ट होना चाहिए, ऑल ऑफ द एबव, क्योंकि सारे ऑप्शन सही है. वो फर्स्ट भी सही है, सेकंड भी सही है, थर्ड भी, तीनों ऑप्शन सही, इसलिए ऑल ऑफ द एबव. ऑप्शन नंबर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 देखिए. व्हाट डिड दे वेट फॉर वांडा? What did they wait for Wanda? They were friends to make fun of her. They cared about her. They missed her. They missed her. They missed her. Okay, so your correct option is to make fun of her. To make fun of her. Option number B, to make fun of her. Now number 16. Number 16 देखिए यहाँ पे. Which classroom did they all sit in? रूम नंबर, ये तो बहुत ईजी है, तुरंत आप पकड़ लिए. रूम नंबर 13 बहुत ईजी है. ऑप्शन नंबर बी, रूम नंबर 13. अब आइए देखते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन. वेयर इन द क्लासरूम डज वांडा सिट? वेयर इन द क्लासरूम डज वांडा सिट? क्लासरूम में वांडा कहाँ बैठती? एंड कॉर्नर, मिडल, फ्रॉम, रोटेशनल. दिस क्वेश्चन इज आल्सो इजी स्टूडेंट्स. यू हैव confirmed here. I know your option number A, end corner, is correct here. Now next question is, who is the author of the 100 dresses? Who is the author of the 100 dresses? बहुत ही गुड क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स. जिन लोगों ने चैप्टर को अच्छे से रीड किया है, कंसंट्रेट किया है, उनको तुरंत वे गेस कर लिए होंगे यहाँ पे कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है. तो ऑड, आपको आपके बुक के अकॉर्डिंग ये तीनों शुरू के तीनों ऑप्शन बिल्कुल ऑड हैं. हियर योर करेक्ट आंसर इज डी नंबर, एल्बज़र एस्टर. एल्बज़र एस्टर इज correct option here. So option number D is correct here. Option number D is correct here students. So students, this is very important to you that if you want to clear all the chapter, definitely you have to learn the name of the writers along with the chapters and the themes of this story. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you.